an eye on your pets this weekend, as loud fireworks that will ring out for the next few days often lead to a major increase in lost animals. San Jose Animal Care and Services is already taking steps to prepare for the busy holiday weekend, especially in wake of a scathing audit. As ABC 7 News South Bay reporter Dustin Dorsey explains, you can prepare as well.
For many, the 4th of July fireworks display is their favorite part of the holiday. For animals, including those at San Jose Animal Care and Services, not so much.
The 4th of July is one of the scariest days for pets. They just want to get away from the noise, which means that they'll jump fences, they'll break through screen doors. You've even had reports of dogs breaking through plate glass windows.
Jason Jenkins says taking precautionary steps to calm your pet before fireworks with a walk outside or medication from a vet and making sure the animals have updated tags are some of the best ways to protect them.
It's really important for us as a community and as pet parents to ensure that the dogs are safe and secure.
When animals get lost in San Jose, Saratoga, Cupertino, and Milpitas, they are brought here to San Jose Animal Care and Services. Division Manager Kiska Eichardt says they're leaning on foster families and increased staffing to help with the anticipated 30% increase of lost pets over the weekend. A recent audit highlighting inhumane conditions at the shelter contributed to other changes that aim to make a difference.
This time last year, we had over 700 animals in the shelter. So to be standing here with about 400 animals and seeing that all of those animals are getting better care and exactly what they need is something that I'm very proud of.
Animal advocates say things are still not good enough after we've reported on multiple dogs dying after stays in the shelter. They're concerned about the influx of animals that may come here over the holiday weekend. So we asked Eichardt if this fear is warranted given past issues.
There should be no reason for people to be concerned if their animals get out. They're going to get them back.
If the community member's animal gets out and they come to San Jose Animal Care and Services, they can check on our website, Pet Compass, and browse all of the stray animals that come in and know that if their animal is here, they're getting excellent care.
In San Jose, Dustin Dorsey, ABC 7 News.